Over 60? Eat these 3 cheeses to rebuild muscle and fight sarcopenia. Have you ever wondered why so many people over 60 suddenly feel weaker, slower, and less steady on their feet, even if they're eating well? The truth is, it may not be about how much food you eat, but about the kind of food your muscles are actually getting. After the age of 60, your body starts losing muscle at a much faster rate, a condition called sarcopenia. And here's the shocking part. It can steal up to 30% of your strength in just a decade if you ignore it. But the good news is, you can fight back. In today's video, you're going to discover 3 specific cheeses that aren't just delicious. They've been proven to rebuild muscle, restore strength, and help seniors stay independent longer. Yes, cheese, something simple, affordable, and already in your grocery store, can make a world of difference for your health. And don't worry, this isn't just opinion. Every piece of information in this video is carefully fact-checked by health researchers, so you can trust that what you're hearing is rooted in science, not hype. Stay with me until the very end, because I'll share a powerful tip about one particular cheese that works best if you eat it right before bed. That small nighttime habit could be the key to protecting your strength while you sleep. Number 1. Cottage cheese. Now, let's talk about one of the most underrated muscle-building foods you can add to your diet: cottage cheese. You might not think of cheese as a muscle food, but cottage cheese is truly a powerhouse, especially for seniors over 60 who are looking to fight sarcopenia, that natural loss of muscle mass that comes with age. Here's why it's so special. Cottage cheese is packed with high-quality protein, and not just any protein. It's rich in casein protein. What makes casein unique is that it digests slowly in your body, giving you a steady release of amino acids over several hours. That's like giving your muscles a long, gentle drip of nutrition instead of one quick spike. For seniors, that slow release is golden because it helps protect muscle even while you sleep. Imagine your body repairing, rebuilding, and strengthening all night long, simply because you enjoyed a bowl of cottage cheese before bed. But that's not all. Cottage cheese is also one of the best natural sources of leucine. Leucine is the superstar amino acid when it comes to triggering muscle growth. Think of it as the spark that turns on your muscle-building engine. Without enough leucine, your muscles can't fully switch into repair mode. So, every spoonful of cottage cheese is like sending a strong message to your body: hey, it's time to rebuild. And let's not forget about calcium. Seniors need calcium not just for strong bones, but also for proper muscle contractions. Your muscles literally depend on calcium to fire correctly. Cottage cheese gives you a double win: stronger bones and stronger muscles. That's a vital combo when you're aiming to stay active, independent, and strong well into your 70s and 80s. Now you might be thinking, but isn't cheese high in fat? That's the beauty of cottage cheese. You get options. You can find it in full-fat, low-fat, or fat-free versions. If you're watching calories, go for the low-fat version, but don't be afraid of a little healthy fat either. Fat helps keep you satisfied longer and gives your body extra fuel. What matters most is the protein, and cottage cheese is loaded with it, about 25 grams in just 1 cup. That's more than what you'll get in 3 eggs. Another reason I love cottage cheese for seniors is its flexibility. You can enjoy it sweet or savory. Mix it with fresh fruit like berries or peaches for a refreshing snack, or pair it. The point is, it's easy to enjoy in so many different ways, and it fits into almost any eating plan. Think about it this way. Every time you scoop up a serving of cottage cheese, you're not just eating, you're investing in your strength, your independence, and your future mobility. You're giving your muscles exactly what they need to fight back against sarcopenia. And the best part, It's affordable. It's easy to find at any grocery store, and it doesn't require fancy cooking. Just open the container, grab a spoon, and you've got yourself a muscle-rebuilding snack. So if you're over 60 and serious about keeping your body strong, make cottage cheese a regular part of your routine. A cup before bed, or even as a midday snack, could make the difference between losing muscle and rebuilding it. It's simple, it's effective, and your muscles will thank you. Number 2. Parmesan cheese. Now let's move on to a cheese that you might already have sprinkled on your pasta, but probably never realized could actually be a secret weapon against muscle loss. Parmesan cheese. Yes, that sharp, nutty, flavorful cheese that makes your dishes taste gourmet also has a powerful role in helping you rebuild muscle and fight sarcopenia as you age. Here's the first thing you need to know. Parmesan is absolutely packed with protein. In fact, ounce for ounce, it has one of the highest protein contents of any cheese. Just 1 ounce of Parmesan gives you about 10 grams of protein. That might not sound like much until you realize how small an ounce actually is. It's basically just 2 tablespoons of grated cheese. Imagine how much protein you can get if you sprinkle Parmesan generously over your meal. And remember, for seniors, protein is the single most important nutrient for fighting muscle loss. But here's where Parmesan really shines. It's one of the richest natural sources of leucine, the amino acid I mentioned earlier that acts like the ignition key for muscle growth. Think of leucine as the signal that tells your body, all right, let's start building muscle now, and Parmesan is loaded with it. Every bite is like flipping the switch that wakes your muscles up and pushes them to repair, rebuild, and grow stronger. That's exactly what you need after the age of 60, when your body naturally becomes less efficient at turning protein into muscle. Parmesan helps push past that barrier. Another hidden benefit of Parmesan is its calcium content. Just 1 ounce delivers about 30% of your daily calcium needs. Why is that important? Because calcium isn't only about strong bones. It's also critical for your muscles to contract properly. Every time you lift your arm, take a step, or even stand up from a chair, calcium is involved in making those muscles fire. With Parmesan, you're giving your body both the protein to build muscle and the minerals to help those muscles work effectively. And here's something I really love about Parmesan. It's a naturally aged cheese, which means it's very low in lactose. Many seniors struggle with lactose intolerance, but Parmesan is one of the most digestible cheeses you can eat. So even if you've had to avoid dairy in the past, there's a good chance Parmesan won't bother you. That makes it a fantastic way to sneak more muscle-friendly nutrients back into your diet without the stomach upset. Now let's talk about how easy it is to add Parmesan to your meals. This isn't one of those foods you have to force yourself to eat. It tastes amazing. Sprinkle it over roasted vegetables, mix it into soups, shave it onto salads, or simply enjoy a few thin slices with whole grain crackers. You don't need large amounts for it to work its magic. A couple of tablespoons here and there throughout the day can add up to a solid protein and leucine boost for your muscles. Think about it. Instead of reaching for salt to flavor your food, why not reach for Parmesan? It not only makes everything taste better, but it also supports your strength and independence. And let's be honest, food should be enjoyable. Parmesan gives you both pleasure and purpose with every bite. So, if you're over 60 and looking for a delicious, simple way to support muscle health, Parmesan cheese is a smart choice. It's flavorful, versatile, high in protein, rich in leucine, and gentle on your digestion. That's a winning combination. And remember, fighting sarcopenia doesn't mean bland or boring meals. It means choosing the right foods that both delight your taste buds and fuel your body. Parmesan fits that bill perfectly. Every time you sprinkle that golden cheese over your plate, Think of it as more than just a topping. It's a muscle-strengthening ally, quietly working behind the scenes to keep you strong, mobile, and independent. Number 3. Ricotta cheese. Now let's shine a spotlight on a cheese that's soft, creamy, and often associated with comfort foods like lasagna or stuffed pasta shells. Ricotta cheese. But here's the thing. Ricotta isn't just delicious comfort food. It's actually one of the best choices you can make if you're over 60 and serious about fighting sarcopenia and rebuilding muscle. So, what makes ricotta so powerful? The secret is in its protein. Unlike most cheeses that are made primarily from casein protein, ricotta is made from the whey that's left over during cheesemaking. And whey protein is one of the fastest, most effective proteins your body can absorb. That means when you eat ricotta, you're giving your muscles a quick, almost immediate supply of amino acids. It's like flipping a light switch. Your body gets the signal right away. Repair, rebuild, strengthen. For seniors, that's a huge advantage, because as we age, our muscles don't respond as quickly to protein as they used to. Whey protein gives them the push they need. But it's not just any protein. Ricotta is rich in leucine, that muscle-triggering amino acid we've been talking about. And leucine is the exact nutrient your muscles crave to kickstart growth. Think of ricotta as both the fuel and the spark. Fuel from the protein itself, and the spark from the leucine that tells your body to use it for building muscle. That's why athletes and bodybuilders love whey protein powders. But here's the beauty. With ricotta cheese, you don't need powders. You get it naturally, in a creamy, delicious food. Now let's talk about how practical ricotta is for seniors. Unlike hard cheeses that you slice or grate, ricotta is soft and spreadable, which makes it easy to eat even if you have dental issues or trouble chewing. That may sound like a small thing, but trust me, when you're trying to get enough protein every day, convenience matters. You can spread ricotta on whole grain toast, blend it into smoothies, stir it into oatmeal, or even use it as a base for dips. It's versatile, gentle, and so easy to enjoy. And here's another bonus. Ricotta is also a great source of calcium and phosphorus, two minerals that work together to keep your bones strong. Remember, maintaining muscle is only half the battle. You also want strong bones to support that muscle. With ricotta, you're covering both bases at once. Strong bones, strong muscles, strong body. That's the trifecta for staying mobile and independent as you age. A lot of people think of ricotta as indulgent, but here's the truth. It can actually fit beautifully into a healthy, senior-friendly diet. Half a cup of ricotta gives you about 14 grams of protein. That's a significant amount, and it can make a real difference if you're aiming for 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal, which is what research shows helps older adults maximize muscle building. So one simple serving of ricotta could be the difference between not getting enough protein and hitting the sweet spot that truly helps your muscles grow. And let's not forget the emotional side of food. Eating should be enjoyable, not a chore. Ricotta has this light, slightly sweet taste that pairs beautifully with fruits like berries, bananas, or even a drizzle of honey. It feels like a treat. But in reality, it's strengthening your body from the inside out. That's the kind of food I love recommending. Something that's both nourishing and satisfying. So you look forward to eating it instead of feeling like it's doctor's orders. So here's the takeaway. Don't underestimate ricotta cheese. It may look humble, but it's a powerhouse of fast-digesting whey protein, rich leucine, and bone-supporting minerals. It's easy to eat, versatile to use, and absolutely delicious. If you're over 60 and looking for ways to protect your muscles and fight sarcopenia, adding ricotta to your meals is one of the simplest and most enjoyable steps you can take. Every spoonful is like giving your muscles a gentle, loving boost, the kind of support that keeps you walking stronger, standing taller, and living more independently. And isn't that what it's all about? Staying strong enough to keep enjoying the life you love. Summary. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We looked at 3 powerhouse cheeses that every senior over 60 should consider adding to their diet to fight sarcopenia and keep their strength. Cottage cheese gives your muscles slow, steady fuel overnight with its casein protein. Parmesan cheese delivers one of the richest natural sources of leucine to spark muscle growth, all while being gentle on digestion. And ricotta cheese provides fast-acting whey protein, making it one of the quickest ways to supply your muscles with the building blocks they need. Together, these 3 simple foods can help protect your independence, improve your balance, and keep your body strong well into your later years. Remember, it's not about eating more, it's about eating smarter. And sometimes, the foods you thought were just tasty add-ons turn out to be powerful allies in your health journey. So here's your challenge. This week, try adding at least one of these cheeses to your meals. Notice how your body feels. Small changes, done consistently, can make a huge difference over time. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If you found this video helpful, please share it with a friend or loved one who could benefit. And don't forget to subscribe, because we've got more science-backed tips coming to help you stay strong, healthy, and independent at every age. Your best years are still ahead. Let's protect them together.